To start on-body recording, first switch on the body pack and wait for it to boot. Once the body pack's booted up, make sure the person goes into an upright, neutral position with both feet parallel pointing forwards and making sure that both arms and legs are in a straight line down. The first file we want to record is a calibration file. Start recording by pressing the body pack button once, then hold the end pose for about 5 seconds, then walk in a straight line up and down. After the person returned, press the button once to stop the recording. Use this file as the calibration file, and now you can do your normal recordings.